Good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 AGRIC Science Past Question 13. A written document showing major activities going on in the farming business is known as dash. A. Receipts. B. Farm record. C. Farming. And D. Farm diary. So we are asked to pick an option which is described as a written document showing major activities going on in the farming business. Now A here says receipts. Now receipt is a document. A receipt is a document that's acknowledges that a person has received money or property in payments following sale. That is, it's just a document that acknowledges, it's ascertained that a person has received either money or property in payments following what sale. Like when you sell something, when you buy something, you get what you get received. It acknowledges that what this action has been carried out by you. So that is a receipt. Now option B says farm record. Option B says what? Farm record. Now what is farm record? Farm record here is a document. Farm record is a document. Most times it can be a book that is used to keep accounts. Document that is used to keep accounts of different activities going on in the farm. It's a document that is used to keep what? Account of different activities going on in the farm. That is a farm record. Now see here says what? Farming. Like you know, farming is just simply what? Act of practicing what? Agriculture. The act of practicing agriculture is known as farming. Be it livestock rearing is farming, or crop cultivation, it's also what? Farming, practicing agriculture. That is farming. Then D here says what? Farm diary. This is farm diary. Now farm diary is just the what? Is the day-to-day record of everything that goes on in the farm. The day-to-day records of all farm activities. That is everything that goes on in the farm per day. That is what? Farm diary. Day-to-day records of everything that goes on in the farm. But the question says a written document showing major activities going on in the farming business. Now from this that we've described, you see that what option B here, farm record, is the most suitable answer for this, because farm record is a document that is used to keep account of all activities going on in the farm. We would have picked farm diary, but farm diary is a day-to-day record, and the question says what? A written document showing major activities going on the farm. So therefore our answer to this question is option B, farm record. It's a document that keeps account of all activities going on in the farm. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.